channel, and if you're new, hi, I'm Nicole. Welcome. I hope you stick around and enjoy some more of my videos. Today's video is a grocery haul. We went to Pick and Pay, Makro, and Dischem. You can see the groceries behind me. I'm gonna run through it because I have an appointment in about 3 minutes. So let's get into it. Okay, so this is a quick overview of everything that we got. We didn't get everything, but that was intentional. So we spent about 4.2 at Makro, and I'm not quite sure what we spent. I think we spent 600 bucks at Pick and Pay and 2 something at Dischem, and we didn't get everything because we're still trying to navigate load shedding. And if you don't know what load shedding is, something that happens in South Africa where they take your power away for 2 hours at a time, multiple times a day for weeks on end, because the grid doesn't have enough electricity to supply whatever. But they take our electricity for quite a long time, easily 6 hours a day. So we can't buy tons of food and tons of things that need to go in the fridge because things do go bad, and we experienced that last month, which was July. So things do go bad, and so we're just trying to be more mindful of what can stay in the fridge long term without going bad if we don't have power. So that's why we didn't get everything, but we will go out and get as we need, which is what we've been doing because we don't want to have to throw things away because they're off, you know. I will say that we are looking into getting renewable energy. So it's just something really costly, and you can't just like make this decision. You can't just like make the decision like spur of the moment. You need to do your research. We don't know much about it. We need to find something that's going to work for us. So we're looking into it. So this shouldn't be a problem forever, but for now it's a problem. So we're trying to accommodate the problem. So let me show you what we got. Okay, so I'm gonna start here, but first we got some potatoes. This is a big like 7 kg packet of potatoes, and then next to them we got some oranges as well. Those are absolutely huge. I'm not sure if you can see, but like they're gigantic oranges. So we got some potatoes and some oranges, and then up here I'm going to start with all the toiletry and household cleaning supplies. So at the top here we have some Stay Soft, which is just fabric softener or fabric conditioner. We got 2 of these aromatherapy indulgence ones, and then we have 6 of these baby ones. So these are just refill concentrates where you put it in the bottle and then you pour water to kind of like make the solution. So these are really good. We tend to buy those a lot. We got 2 packets of these 24 pack toilet rolls because they were on promotion, 2 for $2.65, and we thought that was a good deal. We got some 4 kg Omo, 2 of them. This is a promotion that's like always on, so we picked up those. We got some daily liners here by Always. These are our favorites, so we tend to gravitate towards them a lot. We have some heavy duty scorers here. This is a 4-pack. And then back here we have this Comfort Perfume Deluxe fabric softener. It's the same as these, but this smells so good. Oh my gosh, this smells incredible. And they have tons of different scents that all smell incredible. Then we have Domestos here, which is just a thick bleach. We have 1 of each color. So pink, yellow, blue, and white. We also have some Handy Andy here. We have 2 bottles. This is the eucalyptus one, and then the lavender one as well. Back here, we picked up these swim goggles. This is a 3-pack. This is for my nephew. And these were, I think, 69 bucks for all 3. Underneath them, we have some milk. That's full cream milk. It's a box of 6. And then we got this rechargeable light. Again, load shedding is a thing here. It's a serious thing here. And so you kind of need to come up with ways to keep the lights on or give you some source of light. And so we picked up this rechargeable lantern. It's so heavy, but it's so bright. So we love that. It says up to 60 hours of light, which is really cool. So yeah, we decided to pick one up this time because again, things have been kind of bad. Next, we got these Kotex Maxi pads. We got some Gynoguard here in the front. 3 Dove roll-ons. This is just the original one. And then this is from Dischem. We got some disinfectant wipes. These are really good and they're so strong. We got some garbage bags, so it's 2 packs of 20. Then again from Dischem, we got some Epimax. These African Extracts facial wipes. And then we got our lotion. Both of them are the Irresistibly Smooth one. And then lastly, we have these little face sponges. And we got that at Dischem as well. Back here, we have these Protex Fresh. This is hand soap. Yeah. We got 2 of them. My mom prefers the herbal one, but they didn't have any, so we got that one. We also got some wood polish back here. This is a potpourri one. Coming into the food section, we have 2 packets of 2 kg brown rice. So we got one of this brand and then one of that one. And then we got a big packet. This is 1 kg packet of mushrooms. My mom said she was craving these, so we picked those up. We have some rainbow peppers here. And then we got this Rolo ice cream. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. We used to buy this all the time when we were younger. We used to get it all the time and it was so delicious. It was like a treat. So we got like 1 a month and it's quite small. I'm so excited to get that. I also like the Stracciatella ice cream from Woolworths. It's really, really good. And the cookies and cream is my absolute favorite from Woolworths. Cookies and cream is one. We got some chicken feet back here. Those are just frozen. And then we have a big, huge packet of cabbage back there. We have this no-lac mass here. This is lactose free. It was our first time seeing it. My mom is lactose intolerant, so we decided to pick that up and try it out. We have a little bottle of Coke here. We have a normal pump Bonaqua water. And then we got these roasted vegetables. So we picked these up last month. We had 2 packets and I was saying how I don't understand why we bought 2 because we've never tried it. It was our first time buying them. They were so good. This sauce, incredible. They were so good. We bought 3 packets this time because they're so good. I will say that the portion is kind of small. I mean, if it's a family of 2 or 3, it's a perfect size. But 4, the portions are really small if there's a family of 4. So that's the only, that's my only qualm with them. But other than that, they taste incredible. My mom picked up some cow heels here. And that's the price for those. And then we got some smooth peanut butter. We also got some peach flavored pump water because I really, really enjoy this. It's such a strong peach flavor, which is, it just blows my mind how amazing that is compared to like the little drops that you put in your water. So I really, really like that. And then back here we got some cream. So we got a sweetened one and a normal classique one. This is unsweetened. And then back here we have some granola. I'm actually craving this right now. It's so good. This is the crunchy one with a hint of cinnamon. So no fruits or anything like that. We got 2 packets of those. We also got this Bliss yogurt. So it's just plain yogurt. This is double cream. And then we got hazelnut down there. This is really good. It's super rich though. So a little bit goes a long way. I like to mix it in with like plain like that. Back there we have some extra virgin olive oil. We have some Worcestershire sauce, 1 bottle of that, and then we have some spices. So we have steak and chops back here. That's what that looks like. Some barbecue spice and some chicken spice. And then we also got some garlic. So this is just crushed garlic. They didn't have the big container that we normally get, so we just picked this up. And then we'll keep buying more as we need. And then we got crushed garlic and ginger as well. We got 1 container of Nutella because we finally ran out of the one that we had. And then my mom picked up this Laughing Cow cheese. It says spread for bread, mild cheese flavor. If it tastes like the little dip thingies, I think we'll like that. But we just wanted to try it out, so we only got one. We also got these chocolate chips, which I'm so excited about because we bought them last month, and I was ecstatic because it's so hard to get them at Makro, and we typically bought them from Pick and Pay, and that was kind of like annoying to have to go to 2 stores. But these are just little chocolate chip drops. We got 1 sachet of tomato paste. I initially got 4, but the other 3 that I got were smaller in size to this one, and they don't sell those individually, so I had to put those back, and we just got 1. We have some cling wrap over here, and then behind that we have 1 tin of peach halves. These are in syrup. My mom really enjoys that. And then we have tons of soup in the front here, but I'm gonna start at the back. We have some mango achar back here, some medium curry powder, some mild masala curry powder, black peppercorns, those are whole, Chinese 5-spice, and then we have some taco seasoning. And then in the front here with all these soups, we have 4 packets of brown onion, 2 packets of minestrone, 3 tasty chicken, 1 thick white onion, 2 chakalaka, 1 cream of chicken, no, 1 cream of mushroom, and then 4 cream of chicken. So we got a ton of soup. Back here we have some garlic flakes, some coriander, a box of stock cubes. So these are the chicken flavored ones. We have a ton of pilchards back here. And then we have 2 tins of baked beans in tomato sauce. And then behind that we have 2, or rather next to that we have 2 tins of this chakalaka in sweet corn. That is our favorite. It's so yummy. We usually mix 1 can of this and 1 can of this together, and then we just eat it like that because it's so good, straight from the can. In the front here we have some sweet chili dressing from Spur. We also got the jerky sauce from Spur, which is a crowd favorite. We have some tomato sauce back there. This is the Wellington one. Don't like all gold. I really like the Heinz one, but they don't have it anymore. And then back there we got a bottle of chutney, a big bottle of chutney. I picked up a little Snickers from Pick and Pay, and then I got this. So they have this pizza next to the normal pizza. I forgot what it's called, the red box. They have this one, and this one looks so fancy, and it's got pepperoni, or rather salami, and herbs. So I wanted to pick this one up. It looks really good. It was slightly more expensive than the other brand, or the other range rather, but it looks so good, so I wanted to try that. I think it was 10 rand more. And then we also got some paper towels here. We have 2 packets of these. These are not the ones we like. We like the mighty big ones from Twin Savers, but they didn't have any. And then this is from Pick and Pay. So we got 2 2-liter bottles of Coke. We got these tennis biscuits, and I remember I told you guys that I might be allergic to coconuts because I get a tingling sensation on my mouth when I eat these. I'm definitely allergic to coconuts because I had Raffaello's. I'll pop like a picture on the screen. I had Raffaello's and I had an allergic reaction, like severe, because it's like wrapped in flaky coconut. Anyway, they were so good, but I can't have those anymore. So yeah, we got 2 packets of these tennis biscuits, and then we got some lamb bright chops. So this is what that looks like, and this was the price. We got this 12-piece of chicken. There's the price over there. It's just 4 wings, 4 drumsticks, and 4 thighs. We got a packet of beef boiki, just 1, and then we got 2 of these 6-piece trays of drumsticks because of the whole load shedding thing. We can't do too much with meat. And then lastly, we got 2 loaves of bread. And that concludes this section of the grocery haul. We did, however, go to the lighting warehouse to go pick up some stuff for load shedding. We went yesterday and then we went back today. So let me show you really quickly. Okay, so we picked up 3 of these light bulbs. So these are the rechargeable light bulbs. It says load shedding emergency. They're made so that when you're using them, when there is power, they charge, and then when the power goes out, they just come on automatically. So we got 3 of those, 2 screws and 1 hook. And then we got these adapters. So my lamp shades next to my bed, they are really small, so these bulbs don't fit in my lampshade. So you pick up these adapters and you screw it into your lampshade, and then you can put a regular size light bulb. So I thought that was really cool, and they're only 15 bucks. So we got 2 of those. I got 2 yesterday as well. And then we picked up these lamp stands, I guess you can call them. Let me see if I can. So we got 2 of these lamp stands. So this is what it looks like, and it holds 2 light bulbs. And we thought that would be perfect for when we have load shedding. We can put 2 of these regular light bulbs in there with these adapters, and that'll be really bright and can light up the place for the 2 hours when the power's out. So we got those. Okay guys, so that is everything that I have for you today. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. You can check me out on my Instagram and my Facebook. If you're on Facebook a lot, you can like that page, and every time I post a new video, it should show up on there as well. Yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.